first thing we're going to do is to define sets. We have two sets. One is plants and the other one is customers. And this is the first thing we need to define, because once we have defined that, we can define the parameters and the variables. If not, we cannot do that. So let's get back to AIMMS, and we have this empty tree here, the Model Explorer. And we're going to click on Declaration, and we have these buttons active now. And one of those is New Sets. We click on there, and we can type plants. And we have created the set plants. We can double click on it, and we see a number of properties, out of which we need to fill in the index with P. That means that we can refer to this index in the rest of the elements of our model, and anytime we find a P, we are referring to the different elements we'll have in these plants. And we can do the same. We can create a new set for customers, and we can either press enter or double click here, and we access the properties of this set. And again, we're going to use index C for customers. So anytime we find C, we're referring to the elements we're going to introduce in this set. Okay? One thing you should do anytime you make anything within your model is using these buttons here. One is check and commit, and the other one is check, commit, and close. When you do check and commit, what you're doing is asking AIMMS for you to check if there is anything wrong with your syntax. And with the commit, what you're doing is letting the rest of the model know that this has been accepted. If you don't do that, you might type something, you keep working on another identifier, and you can get error messages telling you that some identifier is not recognized or some other error. One of the reasons why that might be happening is because you haven't done this check and commit, so the model is not aware of the last changes you've made. And this button here does exactly the same and checks and closes your window. Instead of that, you can also use Control Enter, and it does the check, commit, and close in the same manner.